Imagine this. You're 50 years old, still grinding a 9 to 5, watching your friends travel the world, while you're stuck at home, wondering where it all went wrong. Scary, right? Here's the truth. If you don't start building passive income now, your future could look exactly like that. But don't worry, because today, I'm about to show you how to avoid that nightmare and build streams of passive income, even if you're starting from scratch. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to make money while you sleep, using simple strategies that anyone, yes, even you, can implement. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's unlock the secret to financial freedom. And hey, before you start picturing yachts and private jets, spoiler alert, this won't happen overnight, but it can happen, and it's easier than you think. Let's talk about why this is so important. Most people rely on active income. That's trading time for money. If you don't show up to work, you don't get paid. But what happens if you lose your job? Or worse, what happens when you're too tired or too old to keep working? Relying solely on active income is a risky game. And let's face it, the system isn't exactly designed to make us rich. Fear of missing out. Meanwhile, there's a small group of people, just a fraction of the population, who've cracked the code. They're earning money 24/7, no matter where they are or what they're doing. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. It's passive income. And it's the key to living life on your own terms. Now, I know what you're thinking. Passive income sounds amazing, but it's probably too complicated for me. That's where you're wrong. Let me show you exactly how to get started, step by step. Step 1. Start with dividend stocks. First up, dividend stocks. Think of this as the gateway to passive income. When you invest in companies that pay dividends, they send you a portion of their profits just for owning their stock. It's like getting a paycheck for simply holding onto your investments. Now, don't go throwing your entire paycheck at Tesla, thinking Elon Musk will send you a thank you note. Dividend stocks are all about consistency. Think companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, not the flavor of the month stock. Here's the kicker. What if I told you there's a way to reinvest those dividends to make even more money without lifting a finger? I'll explain that shortly, but let's move on to the next strategy. Step 2. Create a digital product. Next, creating a digital product is a game changer. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even a set of Canva templates, digital products can generate income long after you've created them. Think about it. Spend 1 month designing an online course, and you could earn money from it for years. This is the kind of work that pays dividends in time and money. But if making a course sounds overwhelming, don't worry. There's another strategy that doesn't require creating anything new. Step 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect if you don't have your own product. You promote products or services you believe in, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's like being a professional matchmaker. But instead of setting up your friends, you're pairing people with products, and you get paid for it. Who needs Cupid when Amazon will cut you a check? Now, what if I told you there's a way to combine affiliate marketing with social media to create a passive income powerhouse? Stick around, and I'll share that trick in just a moment. Step 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Not ready to buy a house? No problem. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in properties without needing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Platforms like Fundrise let you own a piece of the real estate market with as little as $10. Here's the exciting part. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Every day you wait is a day you're missing out on potential gains. Speaking of gains, let's wrap this up with one final strategy that ties everything together. Build a content library. The last and arguably most powerful way to build passive income is by creating a content library. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast, your content can generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales for years to come. Imagine this. You're on a beach, sipping your favorite drink, while your content continues to bring in money. That's the power of leveraging your creativity for passive income. And no, you don't need to be the next Mr. Beast or a finance guru with 10 million subscribers. You just need to start. And trust me, your future self will thank you. But here's the thing. Out of all these strategies, there's one mistake beginners make that can completely sabotage their passive income journey. Want to know what it is? That's coming up in my next video. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Remember, passive income isn't just about making money. It's about buying back your time. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts compound. If you're serious about creating a wealthy lifestyle, it starts today. Drop a comment below. What's the first passive income idea you're going to try? Thanks for watching Smart Sense, where we turn smart financial decisions into lifelong wealth. See you in the next video.